Alright guys, welcome to a video of Fenix 6 Pro Sapphire with a red heathered nylon band. That's what it's called? Yes, that's what it's called. So a quick unboxing of this. I already did the unboxing of the Fenix 6 Titanium Pro Sapphire, all those things. I'm returning that watch as I did as I explained on a video reasons why I'm getting this watch. I got this watch in express shipping, so I'll have to be returning that to get my deposit back. So I got this watch because I thought, I'm going to be facing the issues anyway. I'm just going to get another watch that looks a little bit different. So quickly, let's get on to the video. Wow. The packaging looks very similar as to the titanium one with the titanium band. I have the titanium band with that one, and this one looks exactly like that, the box at least. But my first impressions, guys, wow. Just wow. It looks stunning. Especially in this package. Whew. I did not think that it was going to look this good. Honest opinion. Whew. Let's just keep this aside for a bit before we check on what else they gave. The regular stuff. So I obviously get a black band along with this, which is of very good quality. I have another black band off market, Amazon. I bought some company for $12 Canadian. It was actually cheaper quality, but this looks pretty good quality. I'm looking forward to wearing this band for runs and stuff. But there you go, that's that aside. What else do you have? You have the regular paper stuff. I don't think Garmin people watch the reviewer videos. I'll explain you why. I think that they don't watch it. Got the charging cable. Get rid of this stuff right from here. Nice packaging right here. You see, the reason I said that they don't watch reviewer videos is most of the reviewers complain about how much paperwork that they have. Look at this, guys. The amount of paperwork. You can just put it online unless it's warranty, which, this is not warranty. The warranty is covered off on the item number that comes with the watch. So don't really understand too much. I'm not much of a liberal, but there's just too much paper to waste just on simple things. Just imagine if you avoid all the paper in the new watches, how much paper can be saved. Anyway, getting back to that watch, getting back to the main edge of the things. Let's get this out. Whew. I just can't explain how good this looks. I don't see many reviews on YouTube with this band. I think this might be the second or third video online. This is a very good combination, as you can see. I guess I'm actually not looking at the camera, I'm actually looking at the watch outside of the camera, which is making me present you weird angles. But this is the diamond-like carbon coating that gives a black impression, and I'm sure that I'm gonna see scratches. The reason I go usually for titanium models, even the Fenix 5 I had a titanium one, is because I do not like seeing scratches on a black version. I had a Fenix 3 HR, and when I got the blacked out version, within 3 to 4 months I've seen a lot of scratches up here and down here, and that kind of made me shy away from the black ones, and I actually got the titanium one when they released the Fenix 5 titanium ones. Fenix 5 Plus, actually, not the regular Fenix 5. I didn't get the Fenix 5, so I waited for the Fenix 5 Plus, and it was also much lighter, because this is a bit heavier. If I compare it, the titanium versus the black DLC, definitely 10 to 15 grams heavier, I'm sure. Anyway, getting back to this model, let me rip that out. That satisfaction. Let's put it there. Let's start this up and wear this for a second. The nylon feels very, very stiff. I wish it was not that stiff, but I guess better quality. I guess that's probably why. And I hope it holds up, and I think it will hold up because this band is nastily hard. Let's get it. Crap. Getting the band is so frustrating here. Okay. Alright, once you get this, I don't know why some people wear 2 loops in one place. That is just psycho. One goes here, one goes here. That's the reason. Okay, let's boot it up. English. Pair with the phone. I don't want to pair with it right now. I go kilometers. I'm from Canada and I'm originally from India, so I'm gonna go kilometers. I'm gonna go 12 mil. I'm 30 years old right now, and I am 171 centimeters. That's it. Why do I want to enter my weight? Alright, use GPS. Because it's just gonna wait for GPS. So anyway, guys, this is how the watch looks. This is a quick unboxing of titanium. Sorry, not titanium. Fenix 6 Pro Sapphire red nylon heathered band. Looks absolutely stunning. I just can't talk enough about this. I hope the DLC coating stands up. Honestly, I hope that it's just gonna go manual. What's the time right now? It's 6:48. I can see it in my instinct there. Alright. What's the date today? Please tell me it's 27th. Alright, there you go. All booted up really quickly and looks absolutely stunning. If anybody has doubts on how this watch looks, just look at this. Absolutely stunning. And if you want to compare it with the Instinct, with the titanium model, looks just as good. The titanium one looks just as good, but I feel like the red, the DLC one has a little bit of an edge. Anyway, there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. I'm going to be returning this next week, and I had to get my deposit back anyway. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video. Bye.